If your LDPlayer emulator is not opening on Windows, freezing on startup, or closing immediately, don't worry. This is usually caused by virtualization issues, corrupted files, or system conflicts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer not opening step by step in 2026. First, check if your computer meets the minimum requirements. LDPlayer needs a stable Windows system with enough RAM and proper graphics support to run smoothly. Next, restart your computer. A simple restart often clears background conflicts that prevent LDPlayer from launching properly. Now, right-click LDPlayer and choose *Run as administrator ***. This gives the emulator the necessary permissions to start correctly. If it still doesn't open, check your antivirus or Windows Defender. Sometimes security software blocks LDPlayer from launching, so temporarily disable it or add LDPlayer to the allowed list. Next, make sure virtualization is enabled. Restart your PC, enter BIOS settings, and enable Intel VTX or AMD depending on your processor. After that, open Task Manager and end any LDPlayer-related processes running in the background. Then try launching it again. If the issue continues, update your graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers can prevent LDPlayer from starting or cause black screen issues. Now try clearing LDPlayer cache files. Go to the LDPlayer installation folder and remove temporary or corrupted files, then restart the emulator. If nothing works, uninstall LDPlayer completely and reinstall the latest version from the official website. This fixes most corrupted installation problems. Finally, make sure Windows itself is updated, since missing system updates can also cause compatibility issues. And that's how to fix LDPlayer not opening on Windows PC. Yeah, in most cases, enabling virtualization, updating drivers, or reinstalling the emulator will solve the problem quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.